Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and we've got the mammoth, the iPhone 11 Pro with us. We've got the box. I'm going to show you all its contents and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why this smartphone should be your next smartphone. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so that's the smartphone's box in front of you. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. I can see this one is in gold color, black box. 512 GB is the internal storage that is available on this one. So let me quickly unwrap the device and open the smartphone and bring it in front of you. And that is the iPhone 11 Pro that you see in front of you. Again, let me just remove this cover as well. What a device. The golden color is quite neat to look at. Let me just turn it on and bring it back in the next 2 minutes. Till then, I'll show you what other accessories and things you get inside the box. Next layer has designed by Apple in California. The usual stuff should have a couple of stickers and should have the SIM ejector tool as well. Yep, has the SIM ejector tool, some reading material and the stickers that you get with the iPhone. And you get a fast charger in this box. In the regular iPhone 11's box, you do not get this fast charger, but in the Pro version or the Pro Max version, you get a fast charger in the box. Also, you get a pair of headphones. These are earplugs that you can use with the iPhone 11 Pro. And you get the usual USB charging cable as well with this. So those are the contents that you get inside the iPhone 11 Pro's box. Let me start that phone up and bring it back and I'll take you through its form factor. So those were the contents that you saw inside the box of the iPhone 11 Pro. If you have not subscribed to this channel, now is the right time to press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Alright guys, so the iPhone 11 Pro has started and let's quickly talk about its form factor and design aspects. So up front you get this touchscreen which has the notch. Yes, the notch is still there, it's quite large. But yes, the side bezels are small. You do not get a lot of chin area. On the right side, you get the power button and you get a dual SIM tray. Basically, you can put in one eSIM and the regular nano SIM. On the left side, you get the volume ringer key and underneath you get twin volume keys. On top, there is absolutely nothing. And at the bottom, you get the charging port, you get the microphone and you get the speaker grill as well. This golden band runs right across the smartphone, which looks quite neat, but yes, I can see a couple of fingerprints on it. Turn it around and the first thing to notice here is an array of 3 cameras. Yes, this is the first time Apple is bringing 3 cameras at the back. With that, you get the True Tone LED flash as well, and you get to see this Apple logo in golden color. It looks awesome. A neat thing about the back panel is that this whole panel is made up of one glass, including the camera array. So one glass sheet has this whole panel, back rear panel covered. So now you saw the form factor of the iPhone 11 Pro. Let's go ahead and talk about its technical specifications. This one is available in 64 GB, 256 GB and the 512 GB, which is the upper end model. Since this is the iPhone 11, it has a 5.8-inch Super Retina XDR display. This is an OLED display and it has HDR capabilities as well. The pixel resolution here is 2436 by 1125 at 458 ppi. Like I've said before, the brightness of the screen here is 800 nits and goes up to 1200 nits, which is by far the highest in any smartphone available today. Inside, this smartphone has the latest A13 chipset. This is the Bionic chipset by Apple, which has a third generation neural engine inside. This is accompanied with 4 GB of RAM. Though there is no official statement by Apple, but yeah, we've seen several reports that do state that this one comes with 4 GB of RAM. When we talk about the battery life, this one has 3046 mAh battery inside. Again, Apple has not revealed that, but reports do say that, which essentially means that this smartphone over its previous generation would last for additional 5 hours, which is great considering this is Apple. The operating system on the iPhone 11 Pro is iOS 13 right out of the box. This is the latest operating system by Apple and it is a treat to work with. Everything right now on the screen on the operating system is smooth, everything is opening up very nicely. We do see good transition effects as well. So Apple has done a fabulous job in creating this operating system. We are reviewing it further and you'll get to know the exact details about this operating system and how did we like it and how did it fare on our test bench on gadgetbridge.com. So do check the review out there. Now moving on to its camera capabilities. This is the first time Apple has introduced 3 cameras on any of its smartphones. This one has a triple rear camera setup with 12 megapixel wide camera, another 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. So what it essentially does is clicks a picture, can click a wider picture and then click an ultra wide picture of the same frame. Another new mode has been added to the camera of the iPhone 11 Pro. This is called the night mode. Yes, you have seen that in Android smartphones, but this one works way better on the iPhone 11 Pro. Also, here you can click 4K videos at 60 FPS. We have shot some of them and they are outstanding. By far the best we have seen from any triple rear camera setup right now in the market. Other features of the iPhone 11 Pro include Dolby Atmos, Siri is on board as the assistant, you've got audio sharing also here, you've got spatial audio and you've got fast charge. First time in an iPhone you get fast charge capability with the charger that comes inside the box. Wireless charging is also there and on top of that you get Wi-Fi 6, which is the fastest version of Wi-Fi right now available on any smartphone. For security, you get facial recognition as well here, which was available on the previous gen as well, but this time it has become slightly better. Also, on top of that, this smartphone is IP68 rated, which means you can dunk it in 4 meters of water and nothing will happen to it. The front camera on the iPhone 11 Pro is also powered by a 12 megapixel camera. The aperture size here is 2.2 and 4K videos at 60 FPS can be recorded here as well. A lot of neat modes are available here like the portrait mode, the portrait lighting mode with 6 effects like natural, studio, contour, but my favorite is the high key mono. As for the price, the iPhone 11 Pro starts at 99,900 rupees. Yes, that is a shiny buck to ask for, but hey, that is the premium you have to pay to get the premium aesthetics and the latest operating system with the state-of-the-art machinery that comes in the iPhone 11 Pro. So those were the technical specifications. Let's quickly show you those camera shots and I'll take you through the 3 key points that why you should pick this smartphone today. Point number 1, it has a fabulous retina display. It is by far the best that we have seen. Number 2, triple rear camera setup at the back. Yes, you can produce 4K videos with this smartphone and the A13 Bionic chipset inside will do perfect justice to it. So if you are a YouTuber or a content creator, this smartphone is built for you. And number 3, if you buy a new iPhone or for that matter a new MacBook as well, you get to see the Apple TV, which basically is Netflix of the Apple world. So you get to see a lot of cool shows. Those are coming in the next few weeks, and Apple TV subscription is free for new iPhone users for the first year. After that It is just 99 bucks per month. So yes, Apple will enable you to watch Apple TV Plus on this device. One bonus point, the Apple Arcade is also gonna come in, which means you will get to play neat games on this device first. Those were my key points why you should pick up the iPhone 11 Pro today. Alright guys, if you did like the video, go ahead and press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. If you did like the video, give us that thumbs up as well. There's a neat little giveaway running on our Instagram and Twitter pages as well. Why don't you go there and participate? You have a chance to win one out of those 3 smartphones that we are giving away. My name is Sulabh. You're watching Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.